Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to delete row in Excel using keyboard. So let's start this in my Excel, and here I select the first cell and now I'm using totally keyboard. Okay, to go to the left side to select the left cell, you just use the left arrow. Then you can use the right arrow to select the right cell, down arrow select the down cell. Okay, same as I select here the one cell. Okay, and to delete the row number 8, use the shift space to select the full row, then use the Ctrl minus to delete the 8 row number. You can see the 8 number is deleted. Again I use Ctrl minus and see the row is deleted. Okay, the second way, use the shortcut key Ctrl G, and here the go to dialog box is open. In go to, in the reference, just enter the row number. So I want to delete in column A row number 428. Okay, then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the 428, the row number here showing. Okay, is number 430 showing because already I delete some row here, therefore is serial number is go up. Okay, so I select the cell, same as I press here the shift space. Okay, then Ctrl minus to delete the 430 number. See 431, 432. So this is the way you can find the row. If you have a large data, you can use the Ctrl G and find the row number and delete it. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.